Meanwhile, as part of the government's efforts to boost overseas jobs placements, 50 hospitality graduates from Thika-based Cascade Institute of Hospitality have secured positions with Europe-based Curzon Corporation. The graduates were selected through rigorous training and interviews and will now work for leading cruise companies worldwide. This initiative is expected to enhance Kenya's remittances from abroad, contributing to the country's economic growth.
Of Kenya, vote to 5 years I spent like this.
So keep a broad smile, talk with confidence, and not only confidence, be sure of what you are. The country is running.
Our learners are prepared, I want to say, because we have a competency-based curriculum which is training them to the specific areas in industry. For example, if one wants to join the culinary team or the hot kitchen team or the kitchen to become a cook or a chef in future, then the curriculum gives them that career path to become the same.
We have decided we are not going to wait for the government to come and get these opportunities for our students overseas. We'll go a step higher and search and do a lot of research on the available opportunities.
It has been my dream to work outside Kenya because I do love traveling a lot, and by working on the cruise ship, I'll be living my dream, and I'll also be working on the career course that I love so much.
Personally, I'm really grateful for the opportunity. Like, this is really amazing. Like, most of the people actually outside there, like, they are jobless, and Cascade Institute of Hospitality have actually bring us Curzon, so that at least it will help us.